Calculation of sigma and pi bonds. Calculation of sigma and pi bonds present in the compounds. Calculation of sigma and pi bonds present in the compounds. Listen. Every single bond is sigma. Every double bond, 1 sigma, 1 pi. Every triple bond, 1 sigma, 2 pi. Every single bond is sigma. Every double bond, 1 sigma, 1 pi. Every triple bond, 1 sigma, 2 pi. For example, take CH4. CH4 is known as methane. One carbon is known as meth, all are single bonds, methane. CH4 is methane. How many sigma bonds present in methane? See here, CH4. It is the structure. Total sigma bonds 1, 2, 3, 4. Sigma bonds 4. And pi bonds 0. Because no double bond and pi bond 0. Methane contains 4 sigma bonds and pi bond 0. And take another example, ethane. So another example is ethane. Ethane's formula C2H6. Ethane formula C2H6. So here number of carbon atoms 2. And valency of carbon is 4. Write H, H and H. And here H and H and H. So total sigma bonds present in the compound. Total sigma bonds. How many sigma bonds here? Present here. Sigma bonds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sigma bonds. And pi bonds 0. Understood? Sigma bonds no double bond and pi bonds 0. Here one important point is there. How many CH sigma bonds? CH sigma bonds. See CH. CH sigma bonds are CH sigma bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many CC sigma bonds? 1 CC sigma bond. Understood or not? In ethane, number of CH sigma bonds. It is CH sigma bond, it is CH sigma bond, it is CH sigma bond, and it is CH sigma bond, CH sigma bond, and CH sigma bond. So CH bonds are 6. Here CH bonds are 6. Then sigma CH bond 6, 1 CC bond. Total sigma bond 7 and pi bonds is 0. It is about ethane. Understood? Now take another example is ethene. Ethene. Ethene means formula C2H4. C2H4 is known as ethene. Ethene means at least one double bond present between two carbon atoms is called ethene. Alkene. Two carbons eth, double bond ene, ethene. Carbon valency 4. Write 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. Now number of sigma bonds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sigma bonds 5. Understood? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pi bonds 1. Sigma bonds 5 and pi bond 1 because a double bond contains 1 sigma 1 pi. So it is double bond, it contains 1 pi bond. Understood? And now ethyne. Okay? Ethyne means C2H2. Ethyne is known as C2H2. Now alkyne means C triple bond C. Alkyne means C triple bond C. Carbon valency for 1, 2, 3 and fourth bond H. 1, 2, 3, 4 H. Now here sigma bonds 1, 2, 3. 3 sigma bonds. Pi bonds 2. 2 pi bonds. A triple bond contains 1 sigma 2 pi. This is about calculation of sigma and pi bonds present in the compounds. Write down. In alkanes, shortcut methods, listen, shortcut methods, see, alkanes general formula, listen, alkane general formula Cn H2n plus 2. If one carbon is there, that is called neet. According to root word, see, according to root word, one carbon is known as meth, two carbons eth, three carbons prop, four carbons but, five carbons pent, five carbons pent. Okay, now for example, if you want to calculate total number of sigma bonds is equal to total atoms minus 1. It is the formula. Sigma bond calculation, total atoms minus 1. Understood or not? Sigma bond calculation. If any compound satisfies alkane formula, number of pi bonds 0. If any compound satisfies alkane formula, number of pi bonds 0. For example, take CH4. It is known as methane because one carbon methane. Number of sigma bonds, total atoms, count total atoms, 5. 5 minus 1, 4 sigma bonds present in methane. It satisfies this formula, alkane formula, then pi bonds 0. For example, take C5H12. It is pentane. Here 5 carbon atoms are there. Double of 5 carbons, that is 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 hydrogens. See, it is satisfies alkane formula. Number of sigma bonds, 17 minus 1, 16 sigma bonds. No need to write for structure, open structure. So total atoms minus 1 is equal to sigma bonds. Here total atoms 17. 17 minus 1, 16. So 16 sigma bonds present in pentane. C5H12 means pentane. And pi bonds 0 because it satisfies alkane formula. If any compound satisfies alkane formula, pi bonds 0. For example, take another one is C6 is known as hex. C7 is known as hept. C8 is known as oct. C9 is known as non. C10 is known as dec. C10. So that is according to root word. For example, take C8H18. It is satisfies alkane formula. Why it is satisfies alkane formula? Double to 8, 16. 16 plus 2, 18. So number of sigma bonds in octane. The name of the compound octane because total carbons 8, oct, and it is satisfies alkane formula, octane. The number of sigma bonds 26 minus 1, 25. If any n is there, then pi bond 0. If it is compound satisfies alkane formula, pi bonds 0. And take last another example. How many sigma and pi bonds present in decane? Decane. What is the formula of decane? C10 H22. Decane. Double plus 2, double 20. 10 double 20. 20 plus 2, 22. It is satisfies alkane formula. Then sigma bonds is 32 minus 1, 31. Pi bonds 0 because it is satisfies alkane formula. See, C10 means decane. Understood? And now if 11 carbons are there, that is undeck. 12 carbons are there, that is dodeck. 13 carbons are there, trideck. 14 carbons are there, that is tetradeck. 14 carbons. C14 tetradeck. Okay, up to decane. See, up to decane up to decane is enough. And if you want other carbon atoms, C11 undec, C12 dodec, C13 tridec, and C14 tetradec. So for alkanes you can take root word for alkanes, alkenes, and alkyne. For example, alkene contains 4 carbon, that is called butene. Understood? Here it is only formula for alkanes. Alkanes, number of sigma and pi bonds present in alkanes is equal to total number of atoms minus 1 for sigma bonds. Pi bonds always 0. If any compound satisfies alkanes formula, pi bonds 0. Understood? Sigma bonds total number of atoms minus 1. It is completed. Now write down. Not just listen. Say in alkenes, alkenes general formula CnH2n. So, for example, take butene. But means root word 4 carbons indicates but root word in C4H8. If any compound satisfies alkene formula, number of pi bonds 1 and if any compound satisfies alkene formula, number of pi bonds 1. So here pi bonds 1, sigma bonds total atoms minus 1, 12 minus 1, 11. For example, take hexene, C6H12, exactly double to that of carbon atoms of hydrogens, then it is alkene. Pi bonds 1, every alkene pi bond 1. Sigma bonds 18 minus 1, it is 17 sigma bonds. Understood? Another one is take octene, C8H16, pi bonds 1, sigma bonds 24 minus 1, 23. It is about sigma and pi bonds in alkenes. Sigma and pi bonds in alkenes.